So in this Photopea tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to warp text here in Photopea. So once you have Photopea opened up, I want you to add some text to your design. So go to the left-hand side of your screen, go to this T icon or the type tool, press on type, double tap, and then type in whatever text you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in the word warp right here. Now, if you wanted to warp text, it's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to go ahead and press the check mark. So what you can either do is I'm just going to drag this text more so towards the bottom. I'm going to double tap it to get to this screen. I want you to go to the top right here, and on this bar it says Day Poster Black, which is the font, regular size, all this kind of stuff. I want you to go to this button right here where it says warp. Press on where it says warp. Now where it says style, you can press on style, and you can go arc lower, arc upper, arch, bulge, whatever it is. If you wanted to do rise, flag, I'll just go ahead and I'll do how about fisheye, just for actually I'll use rise right here. I'll press on rise, then I'll press on OK. And if I were to drag this text up, as you can tell, I have now warped the text here in Photopea. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can warp text here in Photopea. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.